Umboniso 4, scene 4. Kulo Noma Mpondomise at Noma Mpondomise's home, ngentsasa elandelayo on the following morning, uNoma Mpondomise akabonakali ekhaya. Noma Mpondomise is nowhere to be found at home. Ufunyanwa, and she is found in court in Umtata. Ma Nyawuza says, Kutheni na uNoma Mpondomise engavuki nje? Why is Noma Mpondomise not awake yet? Kude kube leli xesha, it being so late already. Ufanele usadiniwe sesiya sikhalo ebesenza izolo. She should be tired, that is, from that crying of yesterday. Kakade Ma Nyawuza. By the way, Ma Nyawuza, Kawucho, tell me, ebe lilela ndoni lomdana, what was she crying about? Inene indeed, andazi Jola, I don't know. Nam ndisa xakiwe, I too am puzzled. Kodwa ke mhlawumbi, but perhaps lomfana uhlatyiweyo, this young man who was stabbed, perhaps ube tandana naye, perhaps she was in love with him. Lento iti bawo ndixolele, this business, this saying of Father forgive me, ingayintoni ke, what is the reason for it? Xa ingumfana abethandana naye, if she was in love with a young man. Nanso ke nam into endimangalisayo, that too is something that that surprises me, that I wonder about. Andiboni mbiko wumbi, I see no other report apa kweli paper, in this newspaper. Masike simvuse sive ukuba ibiyintoni na. Let's go and wake her up and hear what it was all about. Umhlawumbi uxolile noko namhlanje. Perhaps she has calmed down today. Uma Nyawuza uya endlini kaNoma Mpondomise afike engekho. She goes to Noma Mpondomise's house or hut and finds her not there. Hina yise kaNoma Mpondomise. Hey, calling your husband father of Noma Mpondomise. Lomdwana agako, the child is not here, is not there, paya endlini, in the house. Kunjalo nje, and at the same time kuyacaca, it is clear ukuba akakhange alale, is that she never slept there. Oh, uthini nangoku? And what are you saying now? Nyani, honestly, yiza uze kuzibonela ngokwakho. Come and see for yourself. They go and look. Ngaba, lomdana uyepi. I wonder where this child has gone. Izimanga ezikoyo. Such strange happenings. Oh, kazi akazibulalanga na mtanam. I wonder if she being my child has not killed herself, has not committed suicide. Jola wetu, Jola, kawuye kuxela emapoliseni. Go and report to the police. Kufunwe umtanam, so that my child can be looked for, searched for. Oh, kazi akazibulalanga na. Oh, I wonder if she has not killed herself. Hayi, suka, Manyawuza. Go away. Sukuyicinga loo nto. Don't think like that. Ndingathini Jola ukungacingi njalo? kwesiya sililo ebesenza. How can I not think like that after the isililo ebesenza, after the crying that she did, or after all her crying? Ulangeni uya kubika, he goes to report in Solo and finds a policeman there who greets him saying, "Mola Mnumzana Langeni." "Hello, Mr. Langeni. Ufike. It's a good thing that you have arrived. However, dingakunceda ngandoni. How can I help you? With what can I help you?" Mhlekazi, literally, Your Honor, ndize kubika, I've come to report umntanam olahlekileyo, my lost child. Intombi yam le inkulu, my eldest daughter. Undiva ndisithi uncede ufike. You heard me saying that it is a good thing that you arrived. And that is kungokuba, because kukho ucingo, there's just been a phone call, oluvela emtata, from umtata, olusandulu kufika, literally, which has just arrived. Ucingo could be, in old terms, a telegram, which has just arrived. Lusithi saying, "Masiku chalele ufike," saying that we must tell you to go to, literally arrive at, go to court, corner there, Ngomso, tomorrow. Bekuke kwenzeka ntoni? What could have happened? Ulangeni uchazela ipolisa konke okwenzeke ngezolo. Langeni explains to the policeman everything that happened the previous day. The policeman says, "Akucingi ukuba, do you not think that this young man uhlatyiweyo, mhlawumbi, was perhaps in love with your daughter, ebethandana nentombi yakho?" Kunganjalo mhlekazi, that could be, Your Honor. Nathi ekhaya siye sacinga njalo. We at home also thought along those lines. Yiya emtata ke ngomso. Go then to Mtata tomorrow and hear ukuba ngaba kwenzeke ntoni, and hear what happened. Hear about what happened. Kulungile mhlekazi, enkosi. Thank you, and off he goes. And the next scene takes place in the court, and Langeni and Manyauza bafika kuxoxwa ityala likaGugulethu omangalelwe nguNomampondomise ngokwaphula isithembiso somtshato. So they're in the court case. Langeni and Manyauza arrive just when Gugulethu's case is being heard, he being charged by Nomampondomise for breach of promise. And Nomampondomise says, "Ndize ku mangalela, I have come to lay a charge against Gugulethu Zilindile, owandithembisa ngomtshato, who promised to marry me, waza akanditshata, and did not do so. Ndala, I rejected another young man, owayesele lobole, who had already paid his lobola dues, ngenxa yeso sithembiso, because of that promise. Ndavisa abazali ubuhlungu, I caused my parents great pain, kokukhupha inkomo, by chasing out the cattle sezisebuhlanti ekhaya, which were already in the kraal at home. Bandithethela kabuhlungu, and they spoke very harshly to me. Bendinethemba, I had hoped lokuba ndobuya ndibaxolise, kodwa I had hoped to go back and make peace. Kodwa ke andinako, but I can't. Kuba ndeva, because I heard, literally it said that uGugulethu utshate nenye intombi, that Gugulethu had married another girl. Oh, Gugulethu, ukhona na apha? Are you here, Gugulethu? Ndikho jolam, ndikho. I hear my jola. I am here. Bawo, Dad, Father, uyaweva na lamazwi? Do you hear these words? Uyayibona lento? Do you see this? Gugulethu ndange hlubi. Gugulethu, kiss me. Ndange okokugqibela, kiss me for the last time. Kuba andisayi kuphinda ndangiwe, because I will never again be kissed ngumntu oyindoda, by a man, ebomini bam, in my life. Uxolo Jola, uxolo. I'm so sorry Jola, kissing her gently. Andisafanelanga kusondela kuwe. I do not deserve to come close to you. Likhulu ihlazo endilenzileyo. I have done a great disgraceful deed, committed a very disgraceful deed. Yonke into enengqondo, and may anything which has some intelligence, mayindijongele phansi, look down upon me. Nonke nina nikhoyo apha. All of you here. Ukuba, I think, should fit in somewhere. Oh yeah. Ukuba kwenzeke nina. If you ask what happened, Nandia kupendula nditi, I will answer saying, ask my father, buzani kubao. Bawo, uyawabona la manyala. Do you see this scandalous thing? Dange hlubi, dange, kiss me hlubi, kiss me, says Nomampondomise, and Gugulethu obliges. Nomampondomise, turning to her father, Bawo, Gaba, undixolele na? Father, have you forgiven me? Ndikuxolele mntanam, I have forgiven you, my child. Nisale kakuhle Jola, stay well Jola, and you too Nyawuza, those who are her parents. Ningothuki zindaba eniyakuthi nizive emva koku, and don't be alarmed at the news eniyakuthi nizive, which you will hear emva koku, after this. Kuni zintombi, and to you girls, ndinqwenela ukuthi, I would like to say, Thembani yonke into apha emhlabeni. Trust anything, everything here on earth. Kodwa hayi indoda, but never a man. Dianishiya namazwi, I'll leave you with the words exiko lasemangesini ati, with the words of the English orator, which go as follows. Sigh no more, ladies, sigh no more. Men were deceivers ever. 1 foot in sea and 1 on shore. To one thing they stick, never. Gugulethu, nceda, ndange, mthi. Gugulethu, please kiss me. And Gugulethu kisses her. Kugqityiwe. It's over. Kugqityiwe. It's over. And Nomampondomise falls down, collapses in a faint. Yo, umtanam, oh my child, my child. The magistrate says, Mthatheni nimkhuphe phandle. Take her outside. Abethwe ngumoya, so that literally she can be hit by the air, so that she can get some fresh air. Nimbeke emthunzini, and put her in the shade. The police put her in the shade, amshiye, and leave her there. The magistrate, turning to Gugulethu, says, Gugulethu, inkulu into oyenzileyo. This is a terrible thing you've done. ityala lakho likhulu kakhulu, and your guilt is equally great. Umfazi sisidalwa esibuthathaka kakhulu. Esibuthathaka kakhulu. The woman is the fairest sex. Ngoko ke asifuni ukuba kudlalwe ngaso, and therefore they should not be played around with. Ngenxa yaloo nto, because of that, sinomthetho, we have a law apha kweli lizwe in this country. Kanti ke, and equally so, nakwamanye amazwe and in other countries, lo mthetho ukhona. That law also exists. Ngokwa lo mthetho, according to this law, nawuphi na umfana, any young man othembisa intombi, who promises intombi ngomtshato, promises to marry a girl, aze angayitshati and does not do so, unetyala elikhulu, has the great guilt lokwaphula isithembiso, of breach of promise. Iziqhamo, the results, the fruit zokuqhawulwa kwesithembiso somtshato zininzi. The consequences of a breach of promise are many. Now kule kaLangeni, and in this Langeni case, kulindelekile ukuba singeva nantoni na. It is anticipated that we could hear anything, we could expect anything. Gogo ke Guguletu, and therefore Guguletu, dikufumanisa, I find you unetyala, guilty, ngokwaphula isithembiso, of breach of promise. Dikugweba, I sentence you to inyanga ezintandathu, 6 months. Usebenza nzima, hard labor, okanye amashumi amahlanu eponti, or 50 pounds. Ndiyabulela Nkosi, I'm grateful, Your Honor. Ugwebe kakuhle. You have sentenced well. Sindifanele isigwebo sakho. I deserve your sentence. Ndiyamkhupha Nkosi. I will pay the fine, Your Honor. Sukuzikhathaza bawo. Don't worry, Dad. Nkosi ndiyamkhupha. I will pay for him. Nanga amashumi amahlanu. Here are the 50 pounds, which he then takes out. Nqonqonqo, in comes the policeman, saying, Nanku uNomampondomise, here is Nomampondomise, kusithiwa uze lisile emlanjeni. It is said that she drowned herself in the Umtata River, and she's dead. Balekani, mapolisa, run, police. Yo, umtanam, oh, my child. Kazi ndingumntu oyintoni now, what will become of me? Ndincedeni ngomntanam, oh, please help me, as a result of, because of my child. Yo, and she collapses and also dies. Oh, yini na le ntombi kaLangeni. Oh, why? Langeni's daughter of Langeni. Uyandishiya na kulo mhlaba. Are you leaving me behind here on earth? Ndingahlala njani na ungekho? How can I live without you? Andinako tu, I can't. Uze undikhumbule. Remember me. Ndiyeza. I'm coming. Liyaduduma. Lidlula nemiphefumlo. There is thunder, and it is taking imiphefumlo souls with it. Buzani kubao. Uteta is Zula. He speaks wandering around enkundleni in the court ngathi akaqondi, as though not realizing ukuba kukho nabanye abantu, that there are other people present.